The catchment area of a rainfall gauge is too small for us to use its data for engineering purposes. Therefore, we need a network of rainfall gauges that consists of sufficient stations to produce data that can represent the storm characteristic over the target region. However, the number of stations we want to provide is sometimes limited due to various reasons, such as accessibility and maintenance costs. Hence, we are required to determine the optimum density of rainfall gauge stations, reducing the cost and effort for the maintenance while producing reliable rainfall data. Rainfall data can be presented in several ways. When we are plotting the accumulated rainfall depth against time chronologically, we obtain a mass curve. This kind of plot is usually produced by waving bucket and natural siphon gauges. In rainfall mass curve, the instantaneous slope at any point tells us a lot of information. Steep slope represents high rainfall intensity, while flat curve denotes no precipitation occurs over a period. When we plot the rainfall intensity against the time interval, we will get a hyetograph. A hyetograph presents the rainfall data in the form of bar chart, where the area under the graph denotes total rainfall depth for a certain period. A hyetograph is derived from rainfall mass curve. Rainfall depth recorded by individual station may also be plotted for different time frames, such as months or years. This kind of data is known as point rainfall. It is usually noisy, with a possibility of large variation in recorded rainfall depths. As a result, the plot has little value for us to find out the trend and predict the future rainfall. To resolve this, simple moving average may be used to smoothen the data. Given a suitable parameter, this technique can filter out the fluctuation and make the trend obvious. When we are averaging the rainfall data over a long period of time, we are expected to see more obvious smoothening on this data. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends. We'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.